Our hermit has come a long way searching for shells. It's a little cooler here, but she's getting stuck in the mud. These bug-eyed fish are mud skippers. Fish out of water that only survive where they can keep wet enough to breathe through their skin. But this mud-flat zone between the tides is limited, so they have to compete for real estate. Leaping like this means, "This is my property, punk! Step off!" If that doesn't work, it ends in a mud skipper turf war. Too few shells, too much mud. Time to dip. Hermit crabs mistake the odor of plastic for food. Every year, millions of hermit crabs get trapped in our trash. This usually ends in one of two ways: cook to death or slowly starve. Oh wait, the tide is turning. Third option? Drowning in the ocean. Trapped, alone, and getting swept further from the shore. Our little hermit is in deep water.